Morning guys, Anastasia Ratliff here, and this morning, I just would like to share with you something that I do when the allergy season kicks in. The pollen is horrible, my car is covered in it, and even though I wash it almost every day, it is still green. So I used to suffer from horrible allergies, taking all kinds of medications, and none of the allergy medications will help me. The only thing that would help me was an allergy shot, which is a steroid, and the steroid caused all kinds of problems with my autoimmune condition. So I cannot even take that anymore. So what do I do? Basically, allergy is when your immune system is so overactive that it attacks everything that it considers harmful. So pollen is considered harmful for, it's not harmful, but our immune system thinks, oh my goodness, it's the enemy. So it attacks it, and that's how we get allergic reaction. My allergy is not as bad. It used to be horrible with eyes watering and being red and nose running and asthma like attacks, when you're breathing you cannot breathe. So the thing that I do is an immune balancing drink that helps my immune system to get to a balance where it's not reacting as aggressive towards pollen in the air. So I'm going to show you how I make it. I cannot do caffeine, but I really like and enjoy those Starbucks like drinks that people carry around in all these cups. But since I cannot do caffeine and I don't want to do decaf because sometimes decaf is more harmful than caffeine, I found something new that I'm going to show you what I do. Okay guys, so this is the coffee base, and it's not really coffee, as I said that I cannot do caffeine. It is a dandelion dark roast tea, or I call it coffee because it looks like coffee and it smells like coffee. It detoxifies your liver, so it's a very good drink, and it gives you energy naturally. For the milk base, I'm using the almond milk, which is unsweetened. This is my favorite brand. And then I use my favorite C6 powder. It only has one ingredient in it. All kinds of different immune factors to make my immune system stable, and growth factors to help my body produce HGH, which is a human growth hormone to keeps me that keeps me young. My wrinkles are not there. It helps regenerate the skin. It also helps with all these growth factors, help in the gut, so I no longer have leaky gut syndrome, and my digestion is perfect. So I cannot wait to do this again. So I am using a tablespoon of the C6 powder. I'm adding almond milk, and the reason why I'm not just doing it with water is because C6 powder has not been denatured, so it has naturally occurring fats, and fat and water don't mix. So to mix all this thing up, and I'll probably use a little more milk, I'm using this little bitty thing called frother, and it's so handy because it mixes everything right in, no lumps, and it makes a cool froth that I will add to my coffee. I cannot wait. Okay, so my milk base is done, so now all I have to do is just mix it up. I'm not a barista, so I may be doing it completely wrong, but this is what I do. I put coffee, and I did not brew full cup because by the time it steams for 5 minutes, it gets a little cold. So, and then I'm using cold milk. So I'm gonna top it off with hot water. And I can just drink it the way it is because it's very pleasant on my palate, you know. It does not need a lot of sugar, but just for the fun of it and for the aesthetic, you know, look, I'm gonna add some coconut sugar, and as you can see, it melts right into the hot liquid, and this thing tastes amazing and it has so many benefits, and in a couple of hours I will not even have the sniffles from allergies. I hope you guys are having a good day.